We begin our exploration of epithelial tissue classification with endothelium. Endothelium refers to the specialized lining found in the heart, blood vessels, and lymphatic vessels. This tissue is composed of simple squamous epithelium, characterized by its extremely thin structure that facilitates efficient diffusion of substances. The thin nature of endothelium makes it highly permeable, allowing substances to diffuse readily through it. This is particularly important in blood capillaries, where the entire wall consists of endothelium. This structural arrangement enables efficient exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste products between the blood and surrounding tissues, supporting vital physiological processes throughout the body. Now we examine glandular epithelium, which forms the structural basis for both endocrine and exocrine glands throughout the body. These specialized epithelial tissues are responsible for producing various secretions including mucus, enzymes, hormones, milk, and sweat. Glandular epithelium demonstrates remarkable functional diversity, with cells organized to perform specific secretory functions according to their location and purpose in the body. Glandular epithelium exhibits both unicellular and multicellular organization. A prominent example of unicellular glands are the mucus-secreting goblet cells found in the epithelial lining of respiratory and digestive tracts. These specialized single cells function independently as glands. However, most glands in the body are multicellular, featuring complex organizational structures that can be classified based on their duct architecture and secretory portion morphology. Multicellular glands are systematically classified based on structural characteristics. The primary classification considers duct architecture, distinguishing between simple glands with unbranched ducts and compound glands featuring branched duct systems. Compound glands are further categorized according to their secretory portion morphology into tubular, alveolar, and tubulo-alveolar types. This structural diversity reflects the functional specialization of different gland types throughout the body. In summary, epithelial tissue demonstrates remarkable specialization through its classification into endothelium and glandular epithelium. Endothelium provides efficient diffusion pathways in vascular systems, while glandular epithelium enables diverse secretory functions through both unicellular and multicellular organizations. This structural and functional diversity highlights the adaptability of epithelial tissue in meeting the varied physiological demands throughout the human body.